How's everyone doing? Back with John here, and we are doing another random project. This is my father-in-law's 2020 GMC 3500. He is towing a giant fifth wheel, and his exhaust is melting the front of his camper. Some of the molding's coming off, whatever else. So we're going to attempt to relocate the exhaust exit as far out as we possibly can. He has sourced some of these parts, and I'll put a link in the video, but this is all stainless steel, of course, a 5-inch diameter pipe, and this V-band clamp that actually rather nicely fits on the end of the pipe. My apologies, he also got me sick for this video. But it fits rather nicely. There's a little lip on the inside of it. I don't know if you can see it on there or not, but it fits really nice, and we'll be able to weld this together nicely right here. And of course, this pipe's going to be easier because we're going to do it off the truck, but welding onto here will be a slight challenge. We'll see how it goes. Looks like I can get probably 7/8 of the way around, but yeah. So we started out by marking off this pipe. We're going to leave about 1 inch. It's actually this end of the tape right over here is 16 inches from this end, and I'm going to use that as my guide. I don't see any reason to go any further this way. If anything, you just overhang it further. So anyway, that is the plan, and we're gonna start, I'm gonna try a good old cutoff wheel, and we're gonna see how it starts to go. We'll see. I'm not sure how it's gonna go. I'll spare you guys the video, but as you can see, we got a couple burrs. We're just gonna file some of that off, but that's all. Ooh, nice. Same thicknesses. All right. 1/10, 1/8. We filming?
Yeah.
All right, everybody. Well, we've filed down the pipe on the truck side, and now we're going to weld the V-band clamp to this pipe. Yes, I'm MIG welding stainless. I got the Miller 211 that does a halfway decent job with it. I know people are going to yell at me to TIG weld, but this will work, and it will hold just fine. So yeah, we're going to try to weld this on hopefully cleanly. All right, everybody. Well, we're going to now do the truck side of the welding. Put this V-band clamp on. We have disconnected both grounds of the truck's batteries. And frankly, if you've got a good ground here, you should be just fine. It should just travel right here. But the safer the better. Ideally, heck, you'd take off the starter and alternator as well. But I've had experience with this, and you can keep them on. So we're going to give this a shot. Alrighty, we're done.
Alright.
Just keep it on it for falling down the road. Alright everybody, well, we've finished up here. We got our V-band clamp on. We put it level for now. We might shoot towards the ground eventually, but yeah, it looks pretty good and definitely redirects it and hopefully won't melt the camper front. If you get a shot from the rear view here, you can see kind of how far it actually sticks out from the truck. So you can see, you know, you're beyond your bumper a bit and you're close to the width of your dually tires. So yeah, it's definitely a different look, but hopefully its functionality will be very, very good. So anyway, well, hey, have a great night, y'all.